Philip, a New City Auto Glass. We're about to do a repair on a windshield. This is my repair kit right here. It's on a Tucson Hyundai, and this is the tool for it. And I just applied, this is resin that goes inside the tool. So now I'm just looking for the top to go on it. This is the other piece to it. I'll show you right now. I'll be looking for the little guy right now. The little, let's see. Can't find it yet. But it's a little seal. So it goes in the suction and it doesn't drip out. And this, what that little, it's a little hole there. It goes right into the repair, the impact of the chip. So this. Screw this in. Not too bad. It just happened today. I like to get a little bit of the debris out of there of the glass. Then, so I apply this. I try to line it up as much as I can because this part's going to go right into the impact. Put the suction in. There's a little thing back here. Put these down. We just slightly need to touch it, and then we start to bring it down. Turn it. Now I loosen it here, hold it here, and then I line it up. So I bring it this way, see where it's at, and I go right over the impact, hold it, tighten it, and then apply pressure slightly about right there. You'll begin to fill it, and then suction right here to the injector. So right now I'm sucking out the air. This is not so tight, this is a little tight, so we just need it snug so it can stay nice and flush with the windshield. And we'll just sit there and let it do its thing. So I like to let it go on suction, like maybe 20 seconds. Then I apply pressure. So I hold this part, and this part goes down. At the same time, I'm kind of loosening up the pressure from here, but applying pressure here. So this loosens and this pressure. Because I don't want to put too much pressure, you can crack it up. Now the resin starts to go in, and I can see now that it's starting to work. And now we just let it do its thing. I'm going to cover it. I don't want the sun to hit it. As soon as any light hits it, then it dries up too fast, and then it doesn't do its thing, go all the way into the cracks of the windshield. So there's one there. I think there's only two, so there's not really much in there. You can't really see it because it's covering it. So tip, 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 tip. I'm a tech. Here's a tip. Tech tip. This is a lighter for the repair. Even to right now it's kind of cold, so it does help it. The heat going a lot faster, smoother into the cracks of the windshield. So usually I like to do it from the inside, but the guy didn't leave his car open. But even if it's tinted too, you can't put the flame to the windshield when it's tinted. But the outside, you can do it from the outside as well. I've seen this trick done. I've tried it and it works. And you can't keep the flame in one spot too long because it'll crack out. So just kind of slowly, and you have to put it not on the crack, but over here where it gets, so it can get some warm. Now I can see it kind of going away. I don't know if you can see it, but the resin is making its way inside the crack even a lot better. A lot better. Yeah, now you can tell a lot. It's going in. A lot smoother. The resin's making its way in there. Now That's what we want to see. Windshield repairs, they don't 100% go away. It's glass. A lot of times you'll see it go away really good. It kind of looks like a bug that's just hit there, that is splattered, but it goes away a lot. But sometimes it doesn't go away a lot, and it looks like sometimes you didn't do anything to it. But if you sat there, if somebody was to watch it, the cracks are like real dark, like black, and then when they go clear, that's when you know it filled. So it has a certain light hits it to it when it's cracked. But once we're done with this, you can see how good it looks. It's just from the inside you'll be able to tell a lot more because the sun hits it. From the outside it looks good, but from when you're sitting inside the car you can see it because the light hits it. So, and you already know where it's at. You can see here it disappeared. There was a little guy right there. There was a little guy right there, and it's gone now. You can't see it. So now it's done. Let's take it off, see how it looks. Looks really, really well. I'm about to clean it. Okay, step number 2. Step number 1 is putting the resin in. Step number 2 is PIC filler. It's really small writing, but it says PIC filler on there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, good. Awesome. So we just put one dab on it. Just one dab, and then we have right on the top of the impact. Little turn, push down a little bit, and that's what feels the impact of the crack. And then now we're gonna cure it. This is UV light, and so this what cures it. The UV light. If there was sun out right now, it would cure it hecka fast. Direct sun cures it like in 4 seconds. 5 seconds, super fast. This doesn't cure it that fast, but about 30 seconds. It's pretty fast though still. That's better than waiting for like 3 minutes or something. So it's convenient when you got multiple repairs and you're mobile. You got to drive wherever you got to go to, from city to city, from one side of the city to the other. You want to cure it fast so you can get to your next repair. I got this black light Amazon, awesome light. It was like 35 bucks. I bought so many of them, and that was the best one that I found because it cures fast. I tried to buy the ones that are small, like little pins. They didn't do the job. So now we're gonna scrape it with the razor blade with a shot of glass cleaner, and we're gonna scrape it off the top. Don't worry, it doesn't scratch the windshield, but you have to use a brand new razor blade. You hear that? It's doing its thing. I like to put my finger. Nice. You can feel it. It doesn't get 100% smooth, but it feels good. It looks good. And you can tell that it filled in.